Hello, you are about to start major assignment number 1, which is a cause and effect paragraph. So what does that mean? Well, first of all, it means you're writing a paragraph. And so a paragraph discusses only one point or main idea. So you'll have gone over what a main idea is, what supporting details are, what a topic is previously in this unit. A good paragraph is about 8 to 12 sentences. So that's just something to keep in mind and will make sense when we start looking at the structure. The main objective for a cause and effect paragraph is to discuss the point and not the literature. So again, we'll see what that looks like when we look at an example, but you're trying to prove a point using the literature to support what you're saying. One way to ensure that your discussion of literature does not overtake your paragraph is to introduce the main idea or your main point first, and then proceed to discuss evidence from the text to support what it is you are arguing. In a cause and effect paragraph, you need to determine how an action or event caused a certain outcome, result, or realization. So again, that outcome, result, or realization is going to show up in your topic sentence. And cause and effect paragraphs trace the start of a situation to the resulting outcomes. So there tends to be a beginning, a middle, and an end. Okay, so again, this is a similar type of definition, but a cause-effect paragraph explains the causes and effects of a certain event, condition, or occurrence. The topic sentence introduces the cause-effect connection. And then the rest of the paragraph gives examples and explains how they connect to that main idea or argument being suggested at the start. So for example, this is from the middle of a paragraph that we're going to look at a little bit closely in a little bit. It says, initially Hassan faces the indignity of being called out for his performance when Mr. G's like, "What are you doing, Hassan? Fight through the pick." This is an example of a cause. So this is evidence. The effect of this is that Hassan uses the coach's intimidation and bullying to motivate himself to run harder and to more effectively run through the pick. So just showing that that's where that cause-effect relationship is. Okay, so if we go and look at our actual Moodle page here, so just below this video, is you're going to see the structure of a cause-effect paragraph. So the first thing is that you need to have a topic sentence. So what is your belief, opinion, argument on the topic being presented? Then you're going to introduce a quick quote or summary of the event from the text as evidence of the main idea. Then you're going to connect how that piece of evidence proves your topic sentence to be true. Then you're going to give another piece of evidence. You're going to connect how that evidence connects to your topic sentence. And when possible, give a third piece of evidence and connect that as well. At the end, you want to make sure that you go back and return to your main idea and essentially argue that, hey, I've just proved what I was saying I was going to prove. As you go through the rest of this planning page, you'll see that it's going to talk about how we're answering a specific topic question, and that's how we're going to decide what our topic sentence is or what our main idea is. We're going to get to look at a full example of a paragraph here where you're going to get to figure out, okay, well, what's evidence? What's a topic sentence? What's a concluding sentence? If you have any further questions about your cause and effect paragraph, just make sure you book a time with your instructor.